Hey, when it comes to sending your design to your slicer, there's an easy way to do this, but how do you handpick exactly what you want? In this example, I'm creating this privacy cover for an iPhone, and I have the iPhone model, but I don't want to 3D print that. In fact, I'm actually wanting to investigate this snapping mechanism that I'm designing, and I want to see how that works first. So that's actually the only thing I want to send to my 3D printer. Go up to File and hit 3D Print. You're going to select the assembly level. Anything that's visible is going to be sent to your slicer. So in my case, I actually have too many things visible. These I don't need to print just yet, so I'll hit V for visibility, or I can come to the browser and select which bodies to hide. Either one, whatever's easiest for you. Now that you have the bodies you care about in the assembly, go to the pull down, choose 3D Print, make sure it's mapped to the application where you'd like to send it. Select the object as the assembly. And even though this is a whole assembly with a bunch of components, when I click OK, Bambu loads with just the bodies that I care about. Now, if I auto arrange, I can see these components together and get them how I want, and then slice and print. Hope this helps. I'll see you guys in the next video.